If you want a tall stance with big tires, a smooth ride on-road, and great performance off-road, then check out the 6-inch King Edition lift kit from Superlift we're installing on this 2019 F-150 four-wheel drive. This will allow you to comfortably fit 35-inch tires under your truck, giving you a commanding view of the road. You'll also gain instant respect with a legendary off-road racing named King visible under your wheel wells. Let's talk about these components. In the front, you're going to upgrade to 2.5-inch coilovers with fatigue-fighting remote reservoirs specifically tuned to the exact demands of this truck. They don't just look awesome, they also offer stability and handle the feedback from oversized tires where your factory parts just can't keep up. The same race-winning technology is found in your rear 2.5-inch reservoir shocks, and each of these shocks has 22 clicks of adjustment. At the turn of a knob, you can go from a comfortable cruise to handling a big payload, or crank it up and blaze through some rough terrain. Constructed from 1/4-inch thick plate steel, the high clearance cross members maintain driveline angle while they beef up the bottom end. And the new steering knuckles completely dwarf the factory takeoff parts while keeping with proper geometry. Superlift backs their fabricated components with a limited lifetime warranty, and King offers the support on their parts. They're all made in the USA, and we ship them for free to the lower 48 states. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.